Our biggest holding, Tempus AI, has almost doubled since the beginning of 2025. In today's video, I want to go over what's next for the stock and go over some recent developments that Tempus AI has announced on Twitter. I also want to go over their preliminary earnings for 2024, go over their growth rates and their projected growth rates for the years to come. Tempus AI now sitting at $67, about a $10 billion market cap. We're up 60% since we started our position, by far our biggest winner in our portfolio. About a month or two ago, no one wanted to talk about this stock. You go on YouTube, you wouldn't see anything about this company. Now you go on YouTube and you see endless videos about it. Ever since Nancy Pelosi uncovers that she bought the stock, it's all the rave. All over Twitter, all over YouTube. People can just not get enough of Tempus AI. And of course, it was really nice to see a politician like Nancy Pelosi, possibly the greatest stock trader of all time, back up one of my top picks. But honestly, I didn't need her conviction to solidify mine. Now I want to go over some recent announcements on Twitter from the Tempus AI official page. As you see here, Tempus announced a collaboration with Ambry AI to advance AI-driven diagnostics for non-small cell lung cancer. This is very important for the future of precision medicine and early detection for cancer. Like I said before, Tempus AI specializes in oncology. Now, this is aiming to enhance precision in cancer diagnosis and treatment. Not to mention Olivia, AI-enabled personal health concierge app. And what this does is centralize all their patients' data in one place and provide actionable insights. Tempus AI's CEO and founder, Eric, just joined CNBC on February 4th and discussed the impact of generative AI in healthcare and our recent Ambry Genetics acquisition. That's the next topic I want to talk about, guys, is the acquisition of Ambry Genetics finally went through. Tempus completed its acquisition of Ambry Genetics for $600 million. Now, this is about $375 million in cash and the rest in stock. So I'm glad to see they're not just using all shares and some cash. That's a good sign. I still expect to see Tempus profitable all of 2025. I think next quarter we'll see a near break even, but the quarters after that, I believe we will start seeing the early stages of profitability. I hope to see management talking about that in the upcoming earnings. And the big picture here with Tempus AI is you see more and more collaborations and partnerships with not only biotech companies, but AI companies. And it's like everyone wants to partner with Tempus. Almost every day now, I feel like I see Tempus posting something on their Twitter about a new product announcement, or they're rolling out a new test, or a new collaboration with another company. So it's always great to see all these big companies and small companies wanting to work with Tempus. This is helping them expand their offerings and just get more and more data, which I've mentioned before, not going to mention it again, how Tempus is so rich in data. This is what gives Tempus its edge, is allowing it to advance in precision medicine through artificial intelligence. The stock exhibits a lot of volatility, but the long-term picture here is Tempus AI is making significant strides as AI makes its impact on healthcare. And this is just the beginning. I think throughout the next few years is when we're really going to see some huge changes to the healthcare industry. I really do see Tempus AI continuing to outperform. We're seeing significant strides in AI and healthcare, and this is really just the beginning. So we keep seeing these collaborations between Tempus and other companies. Their revenue's accelerating. They gave preliminary guidance for full year 2024 of about $693 million. Now, this is about a 30% increase from year over year. But with their fourth quarter, we're going to see about 35% year-over-year growth. So growth is accelerating. Now that this Ambry Genetics acquisition has gone through, we're going to see 1.23 billion in 2025 guidance. And this is why I think the stock is going to boom on after next earnings. And not only is Tempus innovating with new products, but they're also improving their current products. In January, Tempus introduced some new generative AI capabilities to its assistant, Tempus One. These enhancements enable users to query millions of unstructured documents, facilitating advanced research and clinical decision making. Not only that, we also had the whole genome sequencing assay. They announced their first whole genome sequencing test, XH, in January as well. So Tempus is just firing on all cylinders, nonstop. They are full on pedal to the metal. Eric is just doing an amazing job leading this company. And this is really why I'm betting so big on the company. My conviction is so high. It's also founder led, which is always good to see. The founder has the highest stake in the company. And as long as we continue to see confidence in management and execution from management's parts, I have no doubt that we will see an insane future for Tempus AI. Now, what's next for the stock? We just seen a huge rally this year so far. Pretty much in the past month, we've doubled from around $30 to sitting around $70 now. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback or just a little breather for the stock. I think that'd actually be very healthy. Even in the past week alone, we're up almost 30%. So Tempus has always been a volatile name. We got sold really hard off that post lockup expiration, IPO lockup. And then ever since then, when Nancy announced that she bought, it's been straight to the moon, which is great. Don't get me wrong, but if you're new to Tempus AI and you want to open a position, then obviously you want to get a dip, maybe a pullback to 50. That would be nice. But this is still such a young company. I mean, we haven't even been around a year yet publicly. So since IPO, we're only up 80%. I truly believe Tempus is a once in a lifetime opportunity, and we're going to see these compounded results over time. As artificial intelligence continues to make a bigger and bigger impact on healthcare, healthcare will never be the same. AI will be a crucial part of healthcare, not only in identifying cancers, precision medicine, drug discovery, the list goes on and on. But Tempus AI, paired with their data sets or massive database that they have, as well as their aggressive, innovative nature, I see them remaining the leader in this space by a long shot. My price target for Tempus AI for 2025 is $110 a share. That represents almost a double from current prices. But when you take into account their forward revenue guidance as well as their accelerating growth, I think it is beyond justified. I think we're approaching fair value now, still a little bit undervalued, but 2025 and beyond will be amazing for Tempus AI. But that's all for this video, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Real quick, guys, if you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you really enjoy my content or if you just want to support me. I'm having a Discord community coming soon that I'm working on right now. I would love for you guys to join so we can get more personal, learn a little bit more. We can learn a little bit more about each other, talk about stocks, predict earnings, just talk about the overall market moves. It's going to be called Money Moves Club. I'll see you guys there. Peace.